Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Live with Chicho. It's been a long time that I haven't done a video, so here's the video that I'm gonna do. I hope you guys like it. This is what I'm gonna eat today. Today I'm gonna eat the California roll, the dragon roll, the Campbell roll, and the pork rinds.
What?
I don't know what they call. They're called the pork something. I'm sorry. This is called the pork pot stickers. Sorry. So this is what I'm gonna eat right now. I'm gonna try the dragon roll first. Hold on. Hold on. Pretty good. I like the way it tastes. Nice. Now I'm gonna try this sauce. Sorry. There we go. I don't know what sauce it is, but it's kind of good. Now, I'm gonna taste this one. This is the dragon one.
No, it's not.
Which one is this one?
California
This is
roll.
the California roll, I'm sorry. Hey you guys, and now I'm gonna taste the California roll, which is this one. Sorry. Don't put that shit in. Let me make this one. Se quebró todo. I'm gonna try it with the sauce again. Sorry about dropping it there. Sometimes it's that I don't know how to use the chopsticks. My first time using the chopsticks, so I'm sorry. Now I'm doing it good. I learned. You could taste the shrimp, the avocado, everything. It's pretty good.
That's not shrimp.
Now I'm gonna taste the pot stickers. Let me see. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna use the fork because I'm not used to using these. Now I'm gonna taste. This is called a Campbell roll. Come on. It doesn't want to come out, you guys. See, it has like, I think this is the relish, I think, probably.
That cucumber.
Well, the cucumber then, sorry. It's good. As you see, my friend here wants to join me. She wants to eat sushi too. Go over there. Well, this is my first time trying sushi. My friends always tell me to try it and to post it on YouTube. But I didn't know how it was gonna taste. I thought that it would have tasted kind of fishy. But I tasted today, you guys, and it's pretty good. I hope you guys like the video. I like the three of them. The three of them are good. But the most that I liked it is the the Campbell roll. The Campbell roll was the good one. And the most sauce that I like, the sauce from them, I liked it. This one, I don't know what it's called, but this is the one that I like, you guys. It's pretty good. Hey you guys, today I went to Sonic's to get me the new shake, banana pudding. I'm gonna taste it right now to see how it is. First thing that I like the cherry. That's the best cherry ever. The shake has, the shake has cookie crumbles, whipped cream. It's the best. I like that. And I'm gonna taste it right now to see how good it is. I'll let you know. And it has bananas. That's the best thing too. So I could taste the crumbles, and the banana tastes good. You could taste it. I recommend you guys to try it. I'm gonna take the top off because that's how I like to eat it without the top. That's the best part. It doesn't have a lot of crumbs, but it's good. Going to the store right now, so sorry about that. If you see the bumps, if you see me shaking, that's the bumps. Sorry. What is it gonna buy here that you're here? I'm gonna buy more stuff. That can manage because we're here.
And you're paying?
No. The milk. The milk. Are you gonna get the milk here?
Yes.
This is Life with Chicho. We're doing a little bit of groceries. So we're here in BJ's, just shopping. We gotta look for some food. Want to see me try the new macaroni hot Cheetos? If y'all do, hit me up. Comment down below if you guys want to see me try this. They have different ones. They have the cheese, and they have the jalapeno one. They
And
have
the hot
different-
Cheetos, pero
and
en
the hot
otras
Cheetos
stores.
one, but it's not here. Go like this. You have to stir it like that because it's too thick, and you have to go like that to drink on it. Well, for now, farewell. I see y'all again on my birthday. My birthday is on August the 12th. Don't forget about that. Give me some likes, and on the 12th, I'm gonna make some ceviche. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, which is better than my milkshake. It's better than mine. Oh, I'm just kidding. My milkshake bring all the girls to the yard, which is better than mine. Yeah. I got shy. But that's the song. It attracts the girl. My milkshake attracts the girls and they come back to the yard. That's the milkshake. It's almost done though. But it was good. Delicioso. Try it and let me know if y'all like it, alright? I'm still eating it. And I went to Rack Room Shoes to buy me some sandals. Nike sandals. Y'all want to see them? I'm going to show them to you right now. There. So went to buy those because I needed me some sandals for the house. Look at what the dog did.
That's what you did. Don't blame her.
Yup. Hit me up and ring the bell.
Comment down
Comment,
below.
subscribe, and
No,
ring the-
comment down below.
comment down below and subscribe, please.
Comment down below if they want to see you try it.
Comment down below if you guys want to see me try this. Yeah. Comment down below. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Comment. Or comment. Comment down below what is your favorite sushi, and let me know what other videos y'all want me to post.
Is that it?
Yeah. Finito.